Good afternoon, this is Miss Kabuhan. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for January 15, 2020.
Thank you for considering your stay. Let me check the availability for those dates. Thank you for patience. I truly apologize, but we were fully booked for the dates you request. We cannot accommodate your stay at this time.
Oh, that's disappointing. Is there really no availability?
I completely understand how disappointing this must be. I'm truly sorry. Alternatively, I can add your request to our waitlist and will contact you immediately if a room becomes available.
Thank you, but I'll explore other options myself.
Yes, we're truly sorry. We could not accommodate your request this time. Please keep us in mind for future visits and don't hesitate to contact us if there's anything else we can assist you with. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
This is Okada Hotel. How may I assist you?
Vanya Magbanwa. I am here to cancel my request.
Could you please confirm your full name and the reason for your cancellation?
The reason is that is no longer relevant for our current operation. We found the most cost-effective for recruiting and no longer require the service.
Thank you for providing that information. Let just me pull up your account and checking the account. Okay, I have your account here before we process. Could you please confirm that effective date you like the cancellation to take place? I understand now regarding the cancellation. There may be outsiding fees or a charge, some depending on the terms of your agreement. Are you aware potential penalties or earlier termination fee? Agreement. This is earlier termination fee. Will be reflected in your final invoice. There are no outsiding fees or penalties associated with your cancellation request.
Okay, I understand. Please proceed with the cancellation if there